What's up everyone, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlog. Hey everyone, like I said, my name is Mark Plant and this is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for coming in, I do appreciate it. What we're going to do in this video here is we've got an unboxing. Bought myself a new toy. So without any further ado, let's go over and let's take a look and see what I have here. Okay, what we're going to do is we are going to open up our Skil. I call it a desktop sander. It's a dual sander. It has a belt-in combination disc sander, 6-inch disc sander on the side, and then on top it's a 4-inch, I believe it's a 4-inch belt on the top. I open up, I'll be able to tell you better. I've been looking at these for a little while here and really didn't know what I wanted to get. I did a lot of research and I went with Skil. Got this through Amazon. Really good price. This is in no way a contractor or a professional woodworker's tool. It's more of my level, hobbyist, do it yourself. But I'll use this for a lot of things that I work on and that I build. So what do you say we get into this and we open it right up? All right, let me get my handy dandy knife here. Let's break the tape. From everything that I've seen, this thing pretty much comes already together. There's just a couple of accessories that you need to put on it. But as with anything, you get your instruction manual with a warranty and all that. Hopefully I don't need to use the warranty. A ton of styrofoam. I'll take that out. Yeah. See if that's picking up. The sandpaper and everything's on it. This is a table for the oscillating sander. Let's lift this out. Ugh. Oops. Okay. I said Skil. Like I said, I have several Skil products and they've been pretty good. Then the other thing, got another, this goes up here. Allen wrenching the bolts. This is, it's not that big of a tool, but it can come in quite handy. It's not touching at all. Then what you do is get a square. And you level it right there. Yep, nice and square now. That was very simple. Okay, pretty basic. Gonna have to probably bolt this down or clamp it down when I use it. We have a dust port here, which will work very well with my shop vac. I'm assuming that I pull out here and that loosens the belt, the sanding belt. This here is to adjust if it's riding one way or the other. I still haven't figured out how to, because this goes up a 90-degree angle. How do I do that? All right, so according to the instructions, it is this bolt that I need to loosen. Yep. And then that'll allow me to lift up like this, make it easier to get at it. Okay. I'll tighten that back down. All right, so it's plugged in right now. Let's give it a shot. We got the tray for the orbital sander. You get the belt sander up on the top here. Your power switch is down on the side here. Has a safety function. You can pull this out so that it won't be able to turn on. So if you have children or something like that. I'm going to leave it in. I don't have any children here. This knob here, if the belt's wandering a little bit, which I'm looking at it right now and it is a little bit off. Let's turn this on. Let's make sure it works. And it is wandering. So let's go like that. There we go. There we go, right down the center. Looks pretty good. So that's it. That's basically the sander. Let's do this. Let me get a piece of scrap wood here. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook up my sander, not my sander, my shop vac. The dust collection here so that we don't have a ton of dust. Just slides beautifully right in. And we'll go with this. And a piece of scrap pine here that we're going to go on. Okay, so first thing we'll do is we're going to go check out the orbital. We'll turn it on. Okay. You turn on this shop vac. This is going to get very loud. Okay, let's see how it works. Not too bad. Okay, and now let's try the belt. Not too bad. Not too bad. That works pretty well. There's going to be a little bit of a learning curve with it, but this is exactly what I want. It'd be nice to level out or smooth out sides. If I got to round some edges, this is going to work nice. Like I said, I just got to learn how to do it. It's the first time I've ever used it. So actually, let's try doing an angle here. And the other thing I'm going to try is we're going to do this without the vacuum on, see if the dust, a lot of dust came up with the vacuum on. I want to see how bad the dust is without the vacuum. All right, so let's do this and turn that on. Not bad. That worked pretty well. So, all in all, I think I'm going to like this. I'm going to use this a lot. I bought one other thing when I got this. Let me see, which box is this in? Okay. This is something I saw as a trick, because what ends up happening, I don't know whether you could see that well on there, is the wood goops up on the belt or the sandpaper. So this here, it's an abrasive cleaning stick. They said you're not even supposed to take the plastic off. So let's see how it works. We'll turn that on. Nah, I got the majority of it off. Okay, I think I'm going to take the plastic off though, because I think it's melting. All right, so I'm peeling the plastic away. All right, let's see if it does anything better here. Yeah, that worked pretty good. One thing that I'm disappointed with is the dust. So that's something I'm going to have to work on. But all in all, I'm impressed with it. For the price, you really can't beat it. All right, everyone. So that's the unboxing of the Skil desktop sander model BB9504. It is a 4.5-inch belt and disc sander. Has miter gauge, comes with a hex wrench. It's 120 volt. Disc size, it's a 6-inch disc, and the belt is 4 inches by 36 inches. So it's a common size belt for the top of the sander. I think I'm going to like this. Like I said, this is not a professional tool by any stretch of the imagination. By the price, you could tell it's not professional. But for what I'm going to use it for, I think this is going to work out really well. So that's it. That's the unboxing. All right, so I'm going to end the video right here. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. Really does help out the channel. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. I do appreciate it. If you could hit that bell icon right next to the subscribe button, you'll get a notification anytime I put up a new video like this. I've got quite a few coming up. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Didn't like it? Give me a thumbs down. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think, whether you liked the video or didn't. Like I said, I got quite a few more videos coming up. I'm going to start manufacturing some stuff because my wife and I are going to start doing some craft shows. So we'll see how that works out. I've never been to a craft show. Well, I should say I've never done a craft show before. So it should be an adventure. That being said, the video's over. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again real soon.
Damn. Yeah.